Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about Node.js. We will cover mainly three topics. First one is what Node.js is. The second one is how to check if it is already installed in our PC. And the third one is how to download and install the latest version. Alright, so let's start with a hands-on practical with a screen support. Okay then, so let's start with our first topic, that is what Node.js is. I have already created a documentation for you, so let's go through that. What Node.js is. Basically, Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows the developers to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Node.js is primarily used for backend development, but it also plays a significant role in front-end development, like React.js, AngularJS, or Vue.js, and so on. This is actually what the Node.js is. Now we can move to the next topic, that is check the Node version on your system. There are two ways. First one is by using the node space -v command, and the second one is check the add or remove programs in your control panel. First we will check the node command. For that, I'm going to the command prompt, type the cmd and take the command prompt. Here I will type node space -v. In my system, the Node.js is not presently installed. That's why we are getting this error message as Node is not recognized as an internal or external command. If I check the command again after installing the Node.js, it will show the version number of the Node.js installation. Okay, next we check the another option, that is check on the add or remove programs. So I'm searching the add or remove programs on the searching area. Add or remove programs. If we type as Node, it will show nothing because the Node.js is not currently installed in my system. If I check the same command after installing the Node.js software will iconify in this list. Now we will move to the last topic, that is how to download and install the latest version of Node.js. To install the Node.js, we will need a setup package of Node.js. So I'm going to the official documentation website of Node.js. I'm going to open the website in my browser. I'm using the Google Chrome as my browser. You can choose any of the browser in your system. So select the Google Chrome and type for download Node.js. And select the first link, download Node.js. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the Windows installer button, and for downloading this one, you can click the particular button. I'm not doing this because I'm already downloaded the latest package. So I'm going to open the downloads folder. Here you can see the Node.js package which I already downloaded. So double click on it. It will show the welcome installation wizard. Here we can click on the next button and accept the license agreement. Click the next button. Next, then finally install. Sometime it will ask us to accept the user access control. Then you can select it yes. Okay, now our installation is already completed. Then click on the finish button. Now we can check that The installation is perfectly completed by triggering the node command. So select the command prompt, then type the node command, node hyphen v. If our installation is successfully completed, then we can see the Node.js version number. Here we can see that v22.16.0. Another option is go to the add or remove program. So add or remove programs. Then type the search app node. So we can see here also the node command, the Node.js software icon. So this is how we install Node.js on our system. Everyone, give it a try. I believe this video will be useful for all of you. For more videos and updates, do subscribe to the channel and follow our Facebook and Instagram pages. See you again in the next video. Until then, bye.